and miss this lovely rat convention at the dumps? Are you crazy? Gentlemen, I assume you jest. I jest. Just having a little bit of good old fun with you. Don't take it so personally. You see, I think that most of you have us pigeons all wrong. Many of you have a bad perception of us. You think we save the best bread for the birds while we give you guys the rest.
I'm tired of getting sloppy seconds. You bird brains think you can just throw us crumbs and kick us to the side. But I need bread, man. I need real bread, just like you.
Come on, Cletus. We don't need a scene here.
I need real bread. French bread, dinner rolls, biscuits. Oh, and pretzels. I love pretzels. Also, some garlic pumpernickel. Nah, forget that. Actually, some sourdough really hit the spot, though.
Well, I see the rat world is as classy as ever.
Oh, spare us the Fifth Avenue condescension, Randy. We didn't ask you to come down here to put on airs for anybody. Just tell us the deal, Bertie. Just tell us what you want us to do.
All right, I'll tell you. You see that stand over there? Those boys have been cutting into our business. I want you guys to take them out.
What? You want us to make a hit on the hot dog guy?
Exactly. He's been cutting into our profits at the park. When the humans get his hot dogs, they eat the whole bun. And they don't save us nothing. So starting tomorrow, we want you rats to run some interference for us.
And just how are we supposed to do that?
Oh, I don't know.